Hi, this tutorial is related to SchoolDesk app. It is founded by RBKEI educational institutions. This app has a lot of features about maintain your academic details. This app is useful for teachers, students as well as guardians also, your parents also. So quickly we start and quickly we will browse this app. What is the inside here? First thing, how we log in these applications. So many way are there. First you can log in with get OTP. If you have the password, you can directly log in with the password. You can log in with the Google if you already registered on the applications. First you need to register if you are visiting the first time over here. For this, click on the sign up window. When you click sign up, the system is asking for email. So here you need to put up your official email ID. Next, UID if you are a student or a parent. If you are an employee, then you need to put up over here the employee code as well as your email ID also. So I am typing here my employee code over here. After that, just click on the sign up. When you click on the sign up, a mail will you receive on your official email ID with the OTP. So that OTP will help you to log in. And keep one thing in your mind, automatically this will be add your username into the text box, so no need to change nothing over here. Here you need to add OTP. I received this email and my OTP is right way. I am putting my OTP over here which I received on the email, and welcome mail also I received over here. So after put up the OTP, you need to click on the login. And if you want to remember this login on your particular device or make it trust for the school app, select this section. So next time you no need to log in, the system will automatically log in for you. So this feature also you can use. And if you didn't receive the OTP, but you received this message over here, after that directly you can use this button login with Google for login your account. So I am login my account. Just click on the login. Yes. Right now I am inside my account. So here you can see my the details over here, and homeroom details, my shifting time over here, email ID and everything. So all personal details come up over here. You can check whatever is in your official records. Here you can see there the goals, and you can define your goals in a long term, short term. You can define your action plans. Also, you can add your reflections over here. So this type you can maintain your goals and visions over here. Second type is the performance. Here in the performance, you that will be your annual review or maybe a midterm review will be happen from here. Next, the classes. So here you have the academic classes over here. In this case, I am enrolled for the 5 classes in my particular school. So I can browse each and every academic classes from here. Next is the timetable. When you click on the timetable, you can see there is a timetable is mine. And here you can check the schools, whatever load is there, the working load is there. Next, the attendance and the roles. When you click on the roles, you can see which roles you have or not. Next, the schools. When you click on the schools, you can see my homeroom school is this. My home school is this, but rest of schools accessibility I have, which you can see over here. Right. So this is about the your personal details or your personal steps over here. When you click on the classes, you can browse your classes directly from here. If I click on my English class, so directly I will come over here. Click on the English, the all post and everything over here. When you click over here, yeah, you can post the things for the students over here. Select your unit category and the things. Here you can publish on, you can schedule you can type the due and is response required or not. For example, something you are posting for the students but you don't want to respond from the students, just uncheck it. If you want to response from the students, just check it. Right, this section you can post your work for the students. Next is the teachers. In the two teachers are there in the class. Right, next is the students. You can check it out who is in your class or not. So these four members are in your class English 5th A, but rest of students are for grade 5th A but not member of your English class. Next, announcement. You can post your announcement for the particular member of this class. Discussion also you can use calendar. You can browse whatever and you can check it out whatever events into the particular calendar, and you can schedule maintain your work over here. Next is the curriculum. You can browse your curriculum. You can add your curriculum. You can, for example, if I here you can add your chapter. For example, I have a multiple chapter. Then this way you can add your chapter. ये मेरा chapter 1 and next one is chapter 2. This way you will be able to add multiple chapters over here. And similarly, when you click over here, you can see the all learning outcomes over here, and you can add, edit from here. You can add your learning outcomes also here, or you can also add a topic and subtopics over here, right? And so this way you can add your curriculum over here. And next, if you want to curriculum settings, just click on the settings button. Here the lesson stages, trends, quality, competencies, unit plans, all you can add. Next is units. From here you can add your unit. Click over here and you can add your units. You can maintain your units. You can plan your daily lesson plan from over here. And these lesson plans will be available for post student activities. Here is the assessments, and next is your timetable and report. Okay, so this way you can browse your class from your homeroom details. Close over here. Next, click on the timetable. You can check this timetable over here. If you want to add from here directly, you can add the timetable from here. Right. Next is the calendar. When you click on the calendar, you can browse your calendar, add your meetings. So reminder and meetings you can add. Next is the academic section. When you click on the academic section, you can browse your homeroom class and your subject class. So when you click on the homeroom, you can check it out the all attendance, the all students in the particular class over here. You can make a absent if someone is absent and click on the submit. When you submit, this attendance is recorded. Next is student. When you click on the student, all your class students are here. Roll numbers, you can set your students roll number here, and as well as your houses also, that is student house also. So you can set up the student settings over here. Remark, here if you want to add a remark for a particular child, so you can add, and you can check here. You can click on the plus icon. You can add the remark of the particular for the student of the child. And attachment, if you have any attachment, just attachment and submit. When you submit, this remark will be available for the student and parent. So this way, individual remark you can put up for the student as homeroom teacher. Next, announcement. You can add announcement or any messages to the particular homeroom class. Similar way, calendar also you can check. Timetable, you can see this is the 5th A timetable. So your homeroom timetable you can see over here. If you want to your timetable, then click on this section and you can check the timetable over here. When you click plus icon, you can add your timetable. So selection, grade, division, resources, whatever is resources, subject. In this section, subject is not present. That's why. I think here should be a subject. So English and ground. If you have a video link for your class, you can add. If you are requesting is co-teacher, then select the co-teacher. If you have a homeroom teacher, then add a homeroom teacher or add timetable. So this section will be added over here. Next is goals. This is goals for the students. So if you want to check the Chirag Pokhia, and you can check the student goal and visions over here. In the behalf of a student, you can add reflection for the students, as well as you can add goal for the student also. right? So you can maintain your students as a homeroom. You can maintain your students goal and the things. Next, the teachers, you can see here is the Sohan is the homeroom teacher, and this user is the co-homeroom teacher. So this concept we can maintain over here is the homeroom and co-homeroom teacher. Similar way on the upper side, you can see this teacher is the homeroom and this is the co-homeroom teacher. Okay, and next is your class. For example, click over here. You can see it is the today's task. This today's task will reflect from the timetable, and if you have a today's timetable, then that for the reflection that will be available for you. So for this you can add your reflections, homework, classwork, and everything. It's not coming because of the today's not a timetable in your class. So if I check today is the calendar, and today day is the day 4, and my timetable is day 4 or not. So if I go here timetable, and I can check the day 4, there is the timetable is not available. You can add, you can add from here. This is the timetable I added in the virtual class. For example, I'm in English 5th A, then I added English 5th A. Right. So I did a timetable for the day 5, day 4, right? And now if I can check my the reflections and the today's task, yeah, I can see the two periods are there. Click on the first period and select your whatever lesson plan, daily lesson plan you plan for it, and homework, classwork, remark, and the reflection, and click on save. When you click on save, that your remark, your classwork, homework, and reflections will be visible for this for two students, and same they can see. So this way you can add your reflections or a daily task over here, or daily classwork over here. Similar way, when you click on the English 5th A, here you can post your activities and the things over here. Teachers, students, announcement, calendar, curriculum, same thing are there. Right, so each and everything you can maintain from the class. If you want to leave your class, then you can leave your class. And if you want to add your new class, then select over here. Select your whatever school is, for example, Mira Road, primary, secondary. Select division B. Subject is not there. That's not reflect. And click on the save changes. When you click on the save changes, your class will be added here. Just click on that particular class, and you can start work for the particular class over here. Next is the announcements. This is the centralized announcements, and you can check whatever announcement is the school level announcements. You can check who is the students access of this, and section, grade level, the all accessibility of the announcements area. Right. This is all about web app. As a teacher, you can browse the things. Just explore the applications, and if you have any doubts, any queries, if you have any idea in your mind, just share on project either at rbkei.org. Okay, bye bye.